Part 1. Showing how to service a watch at home. Vintage Longines from 1940s. Silver casing that requires a knife opener to access the movement. Be very careful when opening the case as you could damage the movement or dial. Firstly, I generally remove the hairspring and bridge, as you always need to be careful as it is the heart of the movement. Now we remove the crown by releasing the screw for the setting lever. Be very careful when opening the case as you could damage the movement or dial. You can see the silver case is very oxidized over many years. We will address this later. Now we will remove the hands, therefore set the time to midnight. Use a clear non-oil-based clear plastic as not to damage the dial. Be very careful. With hands, be gentle as most vintage loom can disintegrate very easily. Removing the dial requires usually screws or clips. Here it is screws. The way I prefer to remove the small second hand is to leverage the dial as an even surface to remove it. Be very gentle and apply even pressure on each side to remove the dial. As you can see, the even pressure from the dial allows the second hand to release easily. Remove the hour wheel and we will come back to this side later. Now remove the pallet fork bridge. Make sure the watch is unwound with no charge. Remove very carefully as the pallet fork, as the tips can be damaged easily. Remove the barrel bridge with the designated screws. The third screw is related to the inner click spring. The third screw is related to the inner click spring. Now remove the set lever screw to release the sliding yoke and winding pinion. Remove the train wheel bridge with the 2 screws. Be gentle as the tips of the various wheels are very sharp and fragile. The center wheel is locked for now, and we will remove the cannon pinion. Remove the escape, third and fourth wheels carefully. Remove the ratchet wheel and mainspring barrel. Remove the cannon pinion to release the center wheel. Remove the cover plate with the setting wheels. Setting wheel 1. Remove the minute wheel. Setting wheel 2. Remove the setting cap spring. Remember, this will be spring-loaded, so proceed with caution. Remove the clutch lever. Remove the lower balance jewel. This will be oiled after cleaning. Remove the setting lever and screw. For cleaning, set the hairspring and bridge back in place. End of part 1, part 2 to follow shortly. Reassembly.